Welcome to Read It Again. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on that subscribe button below. Hope you enjoy this book. Knit Together by Angela Dominguez. This is me. I love to draw. Mom doesn't draw. Mom knits. I think knitting is much better than drawing. Why? Because you can wear it. If I could knit, I would make the most amazing things. I asked Mom to show me. Finger puppets, gloves, finger puppet gloves. But it's not as easy as it looks. Mom says it's okay. She says I help her by inspiring her in my own special way, and then we come up with the best idea. A collaboration. We'll make something together. But first, it's inspiration time. I try not to think too hard about what I will draw. Mom says sometimes the best ideas come when your brain is resting. And then I get to work. There are slow starts and squiggles and knots, but then I have it. We're ready. Together we gather our supplies. We talk about our project, and then we work to make something we could never have made alone. It's a drawing we can wear together. Thank you so much for listening and following along. If you like this book, please give it a thumbs up and come back soon to read it again.